Hey everyone, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to my channel E-commerce with Yus. I'm super excited to have you here for another fantastic video. Today, we've got an amazing trick to import reviews from AliExpress to your Shopify store, and I can't wait to dive into it with all of you. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the awesome content coming your way. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Importing reviews from AliExpress to Shopify is an easy process. To begin, make sure you have installed the Wise Reviews app in your Shopify store. As you can see, I have installed already, and the best part is it's free to install. To get started, head over to the AliExpress product page and copy the URL. As you can see, there are many reviews, so I will import few of them. Next, open the Wise Reviews app and go to the Reviews page. Look for the Import Reviews button and give it a click. Choose the product you'd like to connect the reviews to and paste the URL you copied earlier. It will take one moment loading, and then after loading, you'll find some extra options to explore before importing. Once you're ready, simply click the Import button and patiently wait for the process to finish. That's it. Now head over to your Shopify product page and take a look at the imported reviews. Let's see. Oh my God. Oh, very fantastic. As you can see, you've successfully brought in reviews from AliExpress to your Shopify store. I hope every single person understands this. It's very easy for everyone. So don't forget to subscribe my channel E-commerce with Yus, and make sure to like, comment, and share my video to your business-minded friends so that they can easily set up. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye. We'll meet in another video. Inshallah till then. Bye.